So, Volkswagen Polo seat shield was all adrift, it was all rattling about, so you can see my modification. We've modified that because the holes are now too big for anything. So, made some big huge washers out of another heat shield. Managed to get in that in there. That one sheared as we put us back and forth as much as we can, so I've had to drill and put a little sill tap on it. So I'll give it the rest of it a little check over now, but that's taking care of that horrific rattling sound that was making a horrendous noise. So aye, quality stuff. So look at this Polo bad boy. Look at these trims, 13-inch bad boys, eh? Not very often you get 13-inch bad boys from Halfords. So lovely lady, boyfriend or husband, fiance, I'm not sure, painted the wheels. Didn't like it, so just went and got ourselves some new wheel trims for it. So there you go, Halfords. You can get some nice wheel trims there at Halfords for them. But imagine they're all sizes. So we Polo, a Y registration. So I think 2001, 2000 Y reg, and it is getting a bit crusty now, like, but it's very, it's lasted well. It has, it really has. She's lasted quite well, a little Polo-matic. I did roll one of these back in the day. These were down here. I come out the window, I kicked the rest of it out. So I kicked the rest of the window out. If I was in that one up there, which I did have at the time, thankfully, thank God I wasn't in that. I mean, there's plenty of Polos about, there's no plenty of them about, so thank God that I was in this one. Well, not a specific car, but a Polo. So these can go to cardboard heaven now, unless the lady wants them. But they can go to cardboard heaven. That's meant to go to scrap heaven with all those boxes and bits and bobs. Lots of scrap in here at the minute, we need to get rid of it all. So Polo-matic, the middle section is got a wee bit crusty on it, and that has been replaced before. It does have an oil leak, I think, possibly front crankshaft oil seal, so it is getting old, guys. It is getting old. It's done 107,000 miles. We'll shift it back into park, and it is a real beast, to be honest with you. I mean, automatic, guys, cars usually they're for the you know, your Mercedes Benz for oh, she's missing a little bit. There's a little miss there. Seems okay on the gas and on the petroleum, but yeah, misfiring a little bit there. She's straightened out now. Now this car's been with me for a couple of days and it's not really did much moving about. I don't know if anybody's seen the effects of E10 fuel. That's getting a bit tight as well now. The effects of when service lights on as well, so it's going to want to service soon. So obviously the crankshaft oil seal looks like it's leaking. We all heard that wee misfire there. What I would probably recommend now for this customer, actually, this wee car here being so old is probably not even suitable for E10 fuel, to be honest with you. I would need to look into that a bit further. That's a bit particulate filters up there, that's my lord. If you haven't voted, go on and vote, guys. We're in now for the running for the final, so aye, go on there and vote for us if you can. See it, do that if you give us a wee vote, that'd be grand. So diesel particulate filters, where are you? E10. So aye, so there you go, E10 stabiliser, and it's just, I think we're going to see more and more problems with this E10 fuel for the cars, to be honest with you. I'm not going to go through everything there, but it basically tells you what content of the ethanol is in the fuel, basically, and that is going to increase again. So you can see we keep all the Forte stuff because we are Forte stockist. So there's a bench seat for Honda. So aye, so with that one there, the advanced petrol treatment, we'd probably recommend that in the tank every 6 months. So yeah, it could be something like that. I mean, the wee car seems to be running sweet as a nut now. 107,000 miles on it. Oh aye, that's that Volkswagen Pony. So the horse under the bonnet. still going well. Just a wee in. I mean, look at that. Look at the quality, guys. Look at that. Look at that hydraulic. So she's running okay. It's a digital. It's not got a dizzy. So she's not old enough to have a dizzy. So she has a 1.4 MPI, so multi-point injection. So and it is a bit sweaty in there as well. So timing belt, not sure when that was done. So that would need to come off as well to do that crankshaft oil seal, to be honest with you. And aye, so we probably need to do that. And that oil filter down there getting a bit rusty as well. You can see the belt. I'm going to switch the vehicle back off as well, because we're just giving that a little health check, to be honest with you. I will check around the car, but oh aye, geez, look at the belt and the tensioner. So I don't know if you can see that if it focuses. So that's going to want pretty sharp attention, to be honest with you. I think we will get the customer back in and change that. That's well. I think what's happened is the police just started to go. I think that's a deco belt, so it's been done at some point. I think I can just make out what's left of the deco. So aye, the chassis rails on the wee car underneath are getting a bit rusty, but you can see underneath here the strut tires and all that. Got a new mount on that side. I think that's still the original one, aye, so that one's certainly new. I'm not sure if that one is. It's been in this, it's been polished, to be honest with you. So yeah, not a bad little car, no, for the age of it. So for the Type 6N Polo, yeah, quality stuff, doesn't tell you where it was built, so there will be somewhere on it, I'll tell you where it's built. But in Scotland, this one has lasted rather well. It has had a little accident here, which has carried on to here. So it has had a little accident there. I could fix some of that myself, for most, but dent specialist would be able to make a better job of it, to be honest with you. PDI guy. So aye, thanks for watching, guys, this little Volkswagen Polo in Scotland. If you haven't already, then well, there you go, give us a little like, give us a little subscribe, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching. Have a great day, guys,